Hello my beautiful YouTube family, welcome to another vlog. Now again this is lockdown going on. I don't know which lockdown 1 2 3 4. So nowadays we are doing everything by ourselves. I have recently done global highlights on my hair, and I was really happy with the result because it's the first time I did it by myself with the technique. You can go and you can check it out in my previous vlog, and today in this video I'm going to share with you something that again you can do it by yourself. This is a DIY homemade under eye cream. Now what are the benefits of this cream and how easy it is to make, I'm going to discuss in this video. So for preparation of this under eye cream, you just need 3 ingredients. As you can see in this tub, I have already prepared and I have already finished this up and used. It gives fabulous results. So I'm going to again make it like I'm going to refill it up, and I'm going to show you how to prepare this nourishing under eye cream. First thing, you will require this pan, like we call this tadka pan, okay, because we are going to heat up oil first. So switch on the gas. Okay, heat this pan for a while. The first most important ingredient that you require in this is ghee. Okay, now ghee, I'm using here homemade ghee. It's preferably better than those of marketed ones because some added things are there, but in homemade ghee you get you are sure that it is 100% pure. So while preparing this under eye cream, I always use homemade ghee. So you just require 1 to 2 teaspoon of ghee, and make sure that this melts properly. You don't need to heat it up, you just need to melt this ghee. So don't just boil it because all the nutrient will be lost. As soon as this starts melting, just switch off the gas. The next ingredient that we are going to add in this is pinch of turmeric. Now turmeric, I have only taken this much. Last time I had added more of turmeric and it used to stain my under eye area, which used to go off not that very easily. So this time I'm going to take a pinch of this. So add accordingly depending upon the ghee concentration and how much amount you're preparing. Okay, this is the second ingredient. Make sure that you switch off the gas. The third important ingredient that I'm going to add is saffron, also known as kesar, because kesar gives beautiful benefit to your under eye area. So I'm adding around 3 to 4 strands of kesar into this. So number one, ghee gives you proper moisturization, nourishment to the under eye area, so which prevents the further fine lines and wrinkles. Turmeric and kesar, as you all know, has lightening and brightening benefits. So this will help in reducing your under eye darkness or your under eye bags. That's it. You just need to mix this up properly, and now let it come to a little bit on a room temperature, because this will solidify, and before it gets solidified we have to fill it up into our container. After about 2 to 3 minutes, you can see the color of the ghee has changed. It has taken the color of turmeric and that of saffron, and this is what we require. This is the perfect color of the under eye cream. Now I'm going to refill it up into the same tub. So guys, it's been now 20 minutes. As you can see, ghee is getting solidified, okay, but it's not yet 100% solidified, so I'm going to keep it for more few minutes. Let us see how much time it takes. So it's been now 50 minutes, like not even 1 hour, and this ghee has solidified and our cream is now absolutely ready to be used. You can see beautifully this has solidified, and it's now like a proper market cream consistency. You will not even get to know that you are using some home remedy. You will feel that you are using some market branded product only. So how you have to apply this? You have to apply this similar to that of any other under eye cream. Like you have to take around small amount Okay, you can see like the consistency is so nourishing and so smooth and perfect. As soon as the ghee comes in contact with your, you know, body temperature, with your finger, it will start melt. That's the best part, because this should actually enter into your skin surface, under eye area. So ghee will start to melt as soon as it comes in contact with your body temperature, and then you have to take this on your under eye area and massage it, you know. So you to massage it for 1 to 2 minutes until it goes into your skin, and do this for up to 1 month. You will definitely find difference on your under eye area. Your dark circles will reduce, your eye puffiness will go away. Also, the massaging will help in reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. And as you can see, I have used less concentration of turmeric, so this is not giving me much of tan effect. Also, if you use more concentration of turmeric, this will give yellow tint under your eye area. If you like the video, and it is very simple, you can just make it at your house with the kitchen ingredients which are already available into your kitchen. So this under eye cream will give you lot of benefits, like the expensive creams. I've been using it since a very long time. Whenever I get exhausted or get bored with the marketed creams, or I feel that I should go more on an organic or herbal side, I prepare this cream and I do apply. So as you have seen, you know, saffron and turmeric will give the lightening effect. Ghee will give you moisturization, hydration. So your under eye skin is the most delicate skin on the entire face, so you will get that hydration, you will get the lightening effect. And also this suits all skin types. Also you can use it during all weather season, because ghee, turmeric and saffron, it is not something that you cannot use for oily skin or dry skin. All skin type people can use it. You can use it whenever, but you have to use it during only night time, because turmeric will give a light yellowish tint, and during daytime it is not suitable. So use it during night time. You can use it whenever you are home also. Now we are home, just apply it, let it be, let the tint show off. You are just home, you don't have to go outside, and you will immediately see results. Within 1 month of usage, your under eye area will be moisturized, your fine lines will be reduced, because ghee has a beautiful hydration property. Also it will prevent further wrinkle formation. So do try it out, you will love it. And keep on preparing, keep on doing such things for yourself, do DIYs, and be a little bit more on a herbal side. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do subscribe and like to my video. Bye bye.